To keep production on track, Bosch Cognitive Services has optimized spare part recognition by combining photographic technology with artificial intelligence.
Yeah, we at Bosch are running highly automated production systems, and in order to reduce the times that we are losing due to necessary repairs, looking for the right spare part is always a big challenge.
This has made Bosch Cognitive Services, or BCS, the winner of the category Scale of the Intelligent Manufacturing Award of Microsoft and Roland Berger. At the Bosch facility in Immenstadt, this assembly line produces brake enhancers for the automotive industry. Any standstill caused by a faulty part costs the company time and money.
Wir haben 30.000 Ersatzteile bei uns im Lager. Die Schwierigkeit liegt darin, immer das richtige Ersatzteil schnell zu finden.
Until now, the faulty piece needed to be measured and identified in SAP, which takes on average 10 minutes, but can take up to a few hours.
Und deshalb haben wir eine App entwickelt über ein neuronales Netzwerk, um praktisch in der Microsoft Azure Cloud das richtige Ersatzteil schnell zu identifizieren.
The process is simple. With a smartphone that has the app installed, you photograph the spare part. The visual recognition software helps you identify the replacement. This takes just 10 seconds on average. But how does it work?
BCS hat eine Digitalisierungsmaschine entwickelt, um diese Ersatzteile zu digitalisieren. Von diesen Ersatzteilen werden 360-Grad-Bilder in dieser Maschine fotografiert.
The data created is processed in an AI-driven neural network linked to the app. It pairs it with a smartphone image of the faulty part. This makes spare part recognition 10 times faster.
Implementation was extremely short, payback period is less than 1 year, costs been dramatically reduced, search time for the spare parts by 80%, and at the end the overall efficiency of our equipment went up dramatically.
BCS wird zukünftig das Modell nicht nur intern, sondern auch extern Kunden als Pay-per-Use-Modell anbieten.
The BCS recognition system has won the award for making spare part recognition scalable, for its growth potential, and for being applicable to any manufacturing industry.